ACCA Management Information Systems and Data Analytics. Introduction to Management Information Systems. Welcome to ACCA Performance Management, where we'll explore management information systems and data analytics. In this video, we will define the role of management information systems in performance management, identify different types of information systems that support business functions, explain the importance of data analytics in making informed decisions, describe basic data analysis methods, including calculations and visualization techniques. Understand how MIS integrates into performance management and business strategy. What is a management information system? A management information system, or MIS, is a system that collects, processes, stores, and disseminates information to aid in decision-making. It helps organizations track performance effectively, plan business activities strategically, assess potential outcomes accurately. The three main components of MIS are people, users who interact with the system; processes, activities that convert raw data into useful information; technology, hardware and software used for processing data. Types of information systems. There are 5 main types of information systems used in business. Transaction processing systems, TPS, handle routine operations and process transactions such as sales orders. Decision support systems, DSS, assist in decision-making for complex problems, often through simulations. Executive information systems, EIS, provide high-level summaries for senior executives, helping in strategic decisions. Enterprise resource planning, ERP, integrate core business processes into a unified system. Customer relationship management, CRM, manage customer data and interactions to improve customer relations and sales. Key features of an effective MIS. An effective MIS must have several essential characteristics. Timeliness, information should be available when needed for decision-making. Accuracy, the information must be free from errors. Relevance, only data that directly affects decision-making should be presented. Completeness, all necessary information should be available. Cost-effectiveness, the system should provide a good return on investment. Accessibility, information should be easy to access and interpret by authorized users. Understanding data versus information. It's crucial to distinguish between data and information. Data, raw facts that need processing, such as numerical values and dates. Information, processed, organized data that is meaningful and useful. For example, data, 5, 10, 15, 20. Information, sales increased by $5,000 each month. This transformation from data to information is what makes MIS valuable for decision-making. Introduction to data analytics. Data analytics refers to the techniques used to analyze data for useful insights. It helps organizations improve efficiency in operations, optimize business processes, predict future trends. There are 4 types of analytics. Descriptive, summarizes historical data, such as past sales trends. Diagnostic, identifies reasons for past events, such as why sales decreased. Predictive, forecasts future events, such as predicting future sales. Prescriptive, recommends actions based on analytics, such as suggested actions for improving sales. Data analytics in performance management. Data analytics plays a vital role in performance management through several techniques. Cost variance analysis, compare actual costs to budgeted costs to assess performance. Formula, cost variance equals actual cost, budgeted cost. Sales trend analysis, analyze sales data over time to identify growth or decline patterns. Forecasting, use historical data to predict future outcomes, helping in budgeting and planning. Product profitability analysis, evaluate which products contribute most to profits and identify underperforming ones. Key performance indicators. Key performance indicators, or KPIs, are quantifiable measures used to evaluate organizational success in meeting objectives. Common KPIs in performance management include gross profit margin, gross profit/revenue, x100. Return on investment, ROI, net profit/investment, x100. Customer satisfaction score, CSAT, typically measured through surveys. Example calculation. Gross profit margin equals 500,000/1 million, x100 equals 50%. Sources of data. Organizations gather data from two main sources. Internal data, data from within the company, including sales records and financial statements, operational logs and performance metrics. Example, monthly sales figures, cost reports. External data, data sourced from outside the company, including market research reports and competitor data. Industry trends and economic indicators. Example, national sales statistics, competitor analysis. Data collection methods. There are several methods for collecting data. Manual entry, input data manually into systems or spreadsheets. Automated sensors, use technology to collect data automatically, such as smart meters. Online forms, surveys or forms for collecting customer data. Software integrations, automatically gather data from various systems like ERP and CRM. Each method has its advantages and should be chosen based on the specific data needs and available resources. Big data and business intelligence. Big data refers to extremely large datasets that traditional data processing tools cannot handle effectively. Challenges include storage of massive volumes of data, analysis of complex data patterns, interpretation of large-scale information. Business intelligence, BI, involves tools and systems for analyzing business data to support decision-making. Examples include Tableau, Power BI, QlikView. These tools visualize data trends, create dashboards, and generate reports. Basic math in data analysis. Understanding basic mathematical calculations is essential for data analysis. Average sales, total sales/number of periods. Example, average sales equals 100,000/12 is equal to 8,333 per month. Variance, difference between actual and budgeted values. Example, variance equals actual sales, budgeted sales. Percentage variance, variance/budgeted value, x100. Example, percent variance equals actual budgeted/budgeted x100 equals minus $1,500/$10,000, x100 equals minus 15%. Practical variance analysis example. Let's work through a practical example. Budgeted sales, $50,000. Actual sales, $45,000. Variance equals 45,000, 50,000 equals minus $5,000. Percent variance equals minus 5,000/50,000, x100 equals minus 10%. Interpretation, sales fell short by 10% of the budgeted amount, indicating the need for investigation and corrective action. Data visualization. Data visualization helps decision makers quickly understand trends and insights. Common visualization types include bar charts, compare data across different categories. Line graphs, show trends over time periods. Pie charts, display proportions of a whole. Dashboards, provide a comprehensive overview of key metrics. Example, use a bar chart to display monthly sales performance across different regions for easy comparison. Integrating MIS in performance management. MIS supports decision-making by enabling data-driven decisions that improve performance. Strategic uses include aligning MIS data with organizational goals such as growth targets, efficiency improvements, or cost control. Using MIS to analyze customer data and identify high-value customers for targeted marketing. Supporting continuous monitoring and evaluation of business performance. This integration ensures that information systems directly contribute to achieving business objectives. Limitations and strategic considerations. While MIS and data analytics are powerful tools, they have limitations. Limitations. Data quality. Poor data quality leads to incorrect insights. Over-reliance on software. Decisions made solely by tools may overlook important context. Misinterpretation. Data may be misinterpreted without proper analysis or understanding. Data privacy. Handling sensitive data requires compliance with privacy laws. Strategic management. Align MIS with organizational strategy. Use MIS to streamline operations and improve customer service. Ensure continuous improvement through regular updates and refinement. In this video, we've explored how management information systems and data analytics form the foundation of effective performance management. Key takeaways include: MIS is integral to effective performance management. Data analytics aids decision-making by revealing trends and forecasting outcomes. Essential skills include interpreting KPIs, conducting variance analysis, visualizing data, and understanding MIS systems. Remember, the quality of your decisions depends on the quality of your information systems and data analysis capabilities. Thank you for watching.